Hello viewers, can we manage the customer tax classification with validity periods in the SAP system? Yes, we can manage, but with an enhancement, not with a standard approach. Today in this video, I am going to explain the enhancements part where we can implement this requirement with basic coding that would fulfill such requirement. As we know that the Indian government has announced the new TCS sections and there is slight impact on the tax classifications of a customer who comes under section 194Q. In this case, we have to change the customer tax classification from TCS applicability to TDS applicability on 1st of July 2021. That is fine for the transactions which are to be done on or after 1st of July 2021. But how about the backdated transactions which are left to be done after changing the tax classification? So this is how some requirements would be there where this tax classification have to be managed with validity periods. For such requirements, we can use the user exit of a sales order and the invoice, that is user exit underscore pricing underscore prepare underscore TKOMK of the include MV45 AFZZ and RV60 AFZZ. In this user exit, we can fill our own data in the runtime table, that is a TKOMK. This user exit can be used to pass own values for the pricing communication as per your requirements. I have done some basic coding for JOCG condition type with an implicit enhancement for better understanding. Before this implementation, we need to have one Z maintenance table where we can map the tax classifications with validity periods. Let me show you the Z table for your understanding. As you can see that I have copied the KNVI table and created ZKNVI table by adding the validity fields in it. Let us test this scenario with a standard approach and then the influence of the enhancement. As we know that the tax classifications will be picked from the bill to party post GST implementation. So let me show you the tax classifications of JOCG condition of the testing customer. Let us test the standard behavior first and then the enhancement behavior. As we can see that the system has considered the tax classification from the bill to party customer master. Let us check the enhancement now. We need to maintain the tax classification in the ZKNVI table. Execute the transaction SM30 for the data maintenance. Go to new entries and add the tax classifications with validity periods and then save it. Now let us execute the sales order for testing. As we can see that the system has considered the tax classification from the ZKNVI table. So this is how we can influence the pricing communication values as per the business requirements. So please subscribe to my channel for more latest updates. Thanks for watching this video. Shining off.